My screen time is literally embarrassing. Let's check it out. On Monday, my screen time was 12 hours and 51 minutes. That's disgusting. I feel like I've been wasting a lot of my time, even though there's not much that I can really do, but I just feel like I'm being very unproductive and I kind of just need to take a chill pill, get away from social media and everything for a day, because that's what my life has been consumed by. Maybe let's do a self-care day. No phone, no technology. Maybe I'll watch a movie though. It's gonna be a super relaxed video. I'm gonna start off by cleaning my room because my room is always a mess. Like, it's always a mess. I don't know how it gets like this. So let's clean my room first. Also, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you know every single time I upload a new video. Also follow my Instagram, I'll put it right here so you can keep up with what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, my bed isn't made yet because my top sheet is in the wash, but what I think I'm gonna do now is redo my calendar for the month of May, since April is basically over. Kind of organize myself. I did that stuff earlier, so now it is nighttime. I feel super organized, which is good because usually I'm not, and I'm kind of just like wrapping up the rest of my semester, so it felt like the longest semester of my life. I am so glad to be done with it. I'm going to take a shower, put on a face mask, kind of just chill. We're just gonna do my eyebrows really quick. They're not too bad, but I'm just gonna clean them up. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up my skincare. I already used my Neutrogena Acne Wash and my CeraVe Cleanser and also my Witch Hazel. So now all I have to do left is moisturize. So the Clean and Clear Dual Action Acne Moisturizer. And I kind of just really want to focus this down here where I have the most acne, because this is like the only area that I break out. And I know that it's like all hormonal, which is frustrating because there's nothing I can really do about it. For hair stuff, I just have my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I like to use this occasionally because I feel like it makes my hair pretty hydrated, and also the OG, the argan oil. I love that stuff. I really like to take like super hot showers, and I feel like my hair can get kind of dry easily, so we're just going to fill her up basically. I used to not like this because I thought it would make my hair kind of crunchy, but I've honestly like grown to like it over the course of my time using it, and I kind of just spray this stuff all over. So now that that's done, I'm going to pick out a face mask, light a candle, and spray my room spray. I have the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Sleep Room Spray, and I really like this. I feel like it's like super calming. It's with lavender and vanilla, and it smells so nice. Spray it and then like waft it with a pillow. I also have a new journal that I want to start working on. So this is kind of like a sketchbook journal. I have an array of different masks that I can use. I'm excited. Wait, which one should I use? Dope. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was super chill, super relaxed. My next video is going to be much more put together and thought out. I'm going to be trying and posting on Tuesdays and Fridays, so hopefully that works out and you guys like that. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh.